Hi, I'm Dr. Rifai, chemistry teacher. Today, inshallah, we will cover the rate of reaction. At first, what is the meaning of the rate of reaction? The rate of reaction is the speed of your chemical reaction, how fast your chemical reaction. For example, some chemical reactions are very slow, like the rusting reaction. Rusting reaction can take place within years. Another chemical reaction, they are very fast reactions. They can be finished within seconds, like the addition of magnesium ribbon to hydrochloric acid. This is a very fast reaction. As general, how we can measure the rate of reaction? The rate of the chemical reaction equals the change in the concentration of reactants over time. In another way, we can say the rate of reaction equals the change in the concentration of products over time. For example, if we are doing an experiment inside the lab, it's up to you to choose if you can measure the change in the concentration of products or the change in the concentration of reactants easily. If I said, for example, we have a chemical reaction in which we will decompose nitrogen pentoxide 2N2O5 into 4NO2 plus O2. In the following reaction, I can collect the oxygen gas produced from the reaction, and it's easy to measure the volume of oxygen gas produced. So we can say that the rate of the following reaction equals the final volume of oxygen gas minus the initial volume of oxygen gas over the change in the time, which is equal to the time required to collect the volume of the gas. In another way, if we want to measure the rate of reaction related to the reactants, I'll say that the rate of reaction equals half. Why half? Because each two molecules of dinitrogen pentoxide will decompose to produce one molecule of oxygen gas. So the rate of reaction equals half the final concentration of your reactants, which is N2O5, minus the initial concentration over the time required to consume your reactants. But take care, in the following reactions, our reactants, they are decreasing in the concentration. So the rate of reaction, if we start to calculate it by using the reactants, it will be negatively charged. But if we will talk about products, your product's concentration is increasing gradually. So the rate of reaction equals a positive value for the change in the concentration of products over the change of time. And our today question, how we can measure the rate of reaction for the following reaction. Our lesson question is, if I react nitrogen N2 plus 3 hydrogen gas to form ammonia 2NH3, well, we can measure the rate of the following reaction. لو حابب تعرف الإجابة ممكن تحجز معايا على موقع نفهم by Tyro.com أو تبعت لنا رسالة على صفحة الفيسبوك.